Alright, you guys, I give up. I love
I
you.
love you very much.
I love you. Wow. Message. I hear you.
Hi. Great.
Where are you right now?
Dad.
Good. Did you find Jesus?
Think. It.
Are you in heaven?
Sure. Bye. Bye.
Okay. Aw, my dog Jake. Good morning, you guys. I figured we will try to do a PSB7 session this morning. Hopefully you can see everything okay. I still need to figure out where I'm going to set my camera so I don't have to hold it the whole time, but I'm going to use the PSB7 and just my bigger speaker. It's a guitar amp, but it's just a big speaker. And I'm going to turn on the decimator 2 and use a little bit of noise reduction, which, you know, I usually set, I don't know if you guys can see that. No, I usually set between -10 and -0. It just depends on what's happening. So let's try a session. All right. Let me figure out where to set my camera. Be right back. Okay, guys, time for a session. Let's give it a shot. I'm going to turn on the PSB7 first. But it's plugged into my speaker over here, my amp. So let's turn that on. Oh. Whoops, I can't do that. You could hear the station, the radio station, and I don't want a copyright violation, so I fixed it. All right, start scanning backwards on FM. I usually like AM better. I don't know why. This is what it sounds like normally. Hello, is there anyone here? No more? Hi, this is Judy. Can you hear me?
Ready.
Ready? Who is this?
New time. Flight.
Tuned in? I am tuned in. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to turn on a little bit of noise reduction, although it's not bad right now. I did hear a couple responses. Not sure who's here yet. In fact, I'm thinking maybe I should just leave it for a minute. See what we catch. Hi, guys. Can you see me? I'm talking. Can you see me right now?
There's a thing.
What do you think?
It's me, Judy.
What? But
I would like to talk to someone specific.
call.
Can you see me right now?
Invisible sign.
Invisible? Alright, I'll have to listen back to that. Let's try some noise reduction. Alright, so I just turned on the noise pedal. That's all I did. Let me see if you can see it. All I did was turn on my noise pedal. And I have it turned all the way down, so I'm going to gradually turn it up till I hear a little bit of the static. And I do agree with some people that sometimes this can also mute some responses, so like I say, I don't always use it. Hello? Hi, who's here? It's me, Judy. hoping I can speak to someone today. Whoa, that blue light was going off over here. That's just an EMF detector, supposedly, that I got, a cheap one. Yeah, cheap one from online. And I don't quite trust it 100%. So I'm not sure what's going on with it. It definitely catches me if I move too close to it. But. Okay, so that was pretty good. That was a non-focused session. You know, I didn't meditate beforehand. I didn't pray beforehand. I didn't come in here for 20 minutes like I usually do and visualize my connection, visualize who I want to talk to, and feel that connection. But I think we got some pretty good replies. And I have a special treat for you. Here's some more clips. Okay guys, well I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I feel like I do hear ghosts talk loud and clear the majority of the time. It's kind of like when someone calls me on the phone. Sometimes I don't always hear what they say. Sometimes I go, what? What'd you say? But you know, this work is important. What I do is called Instrumental Transcommunication, ITC for short. And please like and subscribe. Let's support this paranormal research that's being done all over the world. Thanks again, guys. See you soon.